With a history spanning over 220 years, Valmet is a pioneer in process technologies, automation, and services for industries like pulp, paper, and energy. With a team of almost 20,000 professionals globally, Valmet aims to boost our customers' performance day in and day out through reliable operations. We take pride in crafting the finest filter fabrics for challenging processes. With nearly 60 years in process filtration, we've got an extensive range of high-quality filter fabrics and technical support for peak performance. In 2021, Valmet decided to step up our game by expanding our filtration operations in Pune, India.
We started Pune FTU operations in June 2021 to serve mining and chemical customers in India and Asia Pacific region.
With a total area of 7,200 square meters and a built-up area of 3,400 square meters, the facility aims to provide filter fabrics for the mining, chemical, pulp and paper industries as well as for energy production, waste processing plants, and food manufacturing industries.
During the course of last 2 years, we have diversified into pulp and paper filtration products. Now this year we have further extended our product portfolio into dry filtration bags, mainly for cement, steel and power plants.
Our modern production facilities, latest manufacturing technology, patents, and in-house R&D laboratories allow us to provide outstanding filtration results and innovative technical solutions.
We had to and we have to serve the best in industry technical solutions, and for that having a direct reach with the customers is the only solution. We had to visit a lot of customers in mining, pulp and paper and the dry filtration divisions, and now we can proudly say that we have a wide range of customers not only just in India but also overseas.
Reliable performance, clear filtrate, excellent cake release, and dry cake are our core deliverables. The high-end laser cutting machine enables the precise cutting of fabrics, suiting the desired dimension of filter press plates and discs. Our highly skilled sewing operators are producing high-quality standard products and maintaining precision on all batches. Our high-end industrial sewing machines are designed to produce all kinds of sewing patterns used for different applications. Valmet's dry filtration designs are customer-built solutions for industrial filtration and environmental protection. From fibers to bags, Valmet's high-quality filter bags and pockets are tailor-made according to the customer's equipment and processes, ensuring low dust and particulate emissions level, and production reliability together with savings on energy and maintenance costs. By 2030, we're aiming for carbon-neutral production. We at Valmet have Sustainability 360-degree agenda to enhance circularity and environmental efficiency and reduce CO2 emissions. The agenda covers Valmet's entire value chain, including the supply chain, operations, and the use of Valmet technologies at customer sites. Safety is paramount. Our HSE policy ensures a healthy, safe workplace through ISO standards and critical controls. When it comes to packaging and logistics, we're all about efficiency and ethics. Partnering with the best, we use packaging that's corrosion, humidity, and scratch protected. We at Valmet keep upping our quality game with lean practices and close customer collaboration. Our top-notch testing facilities ensure premium products and services. What sets Valmet apart? Our legacy, excellence, and holistic approach to serving our customers with the best possible outcome.